No, I'm not available. Oh my God.
Naglilinis ba mga yan, Melissa? Mga alaga ko, Diyos ko, marunong lang
Nagpipick,
magkalat. Parang hindi
nagpipick up.
marunong maglinis.
Let's pick up. Nagpipick up kami.
Yung, siguro sa maghapon, mga ilang beses kong inaano yung
Mine, I see you're gently and corny too. Yes,
Mine
I'm married.
is married too.
Yeah,
Only
I'm
Libra
married.
is the available.
I'm not available.
Available. So,
Yeah,
deal breaker. Time to cut their deal.
I'm
She's not single.
I'm single but I'm not available.
Mine, you
O,
are
diba?
gently and
Oh,
you're
di ba?
corny too. Corny? Corny ka na.
Patay tayo dyan.
What the heck? Patay ka.
Matay ako dito.
Yate.
Yate
Darna,
no,
darna. Darna, darna. Wala, si Kuya ata, hindi nag-live. Nag-day off.
Well, your demand.
Parang nasa New York ka, Melissa, di ba?
Yes,
Nagpunta ka
for
ng New
couple
York?
days. Oo, pumunta kami ng New
Oh,
York.
but,
Nagliwaliw yan si Melissa.
Nagliwaliw ako.